Hello, this is Welcome to Adopt Me Update Part 2. Hope you like it. Please subscribe, like, share, and give it a big thumbs up. So, we got here the new updates. The Aussie eggs are going away. 2 days left for the fossil egg are coming. Now, I've seen lots of dinosaurs, if you can see here. Lots of dinosaurs on the homepage. So it's updated, of course. Okay, so let's start. So we're gonna just go on to the same thing over, but it's going to be updated. You'll be really surprised. So anyways, yeah, you've seen this part already. Yeah, and this comes at the last part, the kits today. So I want to buy some kitsunes because I want to make a mega neon kit today, which costs $1 bazillion. Should I buy this, guys? I don't know. Let's do it. Yay, we got a mega kitsune today. It's not for trade, of course, because I don't want it to be for trade. Look at us riding in it. It looks so cute. Should I accept this trade, guys? I don't know. Alright, they accepted it. I accepted it, and that means it's the end of the video. Please subscribe, like, share, and give it a big thumbs up.